Sing me a symphony, one for the lost out in between. A city of fallen dreams, and a city of angels. There was a girl with the sky full of stars in her eyes. She was chasing a world that was so fast it left her behind. But the days became years, and hope went away as her smile turned to tears. Now there's lines on the face of the girl with the stars in her eyes. Sing me a symphony, one for the lost and in between. The city of fallen dreams, the city of his hand, bright like a star, but he burned everything that he had. Trading his life, punching holes in his veins. The thrill of the high was a long fall from grace, but if you listen close, you can still hear the boy in the man. One for the